This week's Serene Flow Mantra is: I attract the hair clients that appreciate me for who I am and the energy that I have. As a hairstylist, it can become super hard and it can become a huge struggle if you end up with a hair client in your chair that does not align with you. A hair client that might not want to have a conversation with you. A person that you feel that whatever it is that you're saying and asking and the conversations that you are trying to have with this person, and there's no response back. There's nothing that comes back and forth. And there is just this blank face. And I want you to remind yourself of the fact that not everyone is the right fit for you. And you are not the right fit for everyone. And instead of trying to please this person, instead of trying to do everything that is possible for this person to actually like you, to actually truly fall in love with you, maybe it's easier to actually take a step back and see if you are in a situation with this client and you feel that there is nothing coming back from that person. There's no excitement. It seems like this person is not interested in having a relationship with you. Then maybe if you start to feel awkward, if you start to feel like there's no way that I can make this client happy with their hair, there's no way that we can have a conversation so that we can become comfortable with each other, because there is a fact that if you have a hair client that actually is comfortable with you when you are doing their hair, it's so much easier to make them happier because they are more open. And when someone is more open, it's easier for them to actually communicate what it is that they want to have done with their hair. And it's actually easier then to actually understand. And it is when we get those clients that actually really click with you, that really already loves what it is that you're doing in the way that you're doing, and you have an amazing energy together and a conversation together, then that makes that whole experience go wow. So if you have an experience that is super shitty, and you probably have had that happen, and this video is for you to remind yourself, if you are in that situation where there's no way you can make this hair client happy, I actually want to invite you to take a step back and say, what can I learn from the situation? And if you even start to sense any likeness with that type of client when you're doing a consultation, it's even better to actually say no. Because the more we are actually understanding and using our intuition in consultations, when we are talking to clients and so on, and looking at what is my inner guiding system saying? What is my inner guiding system telling me? Because when we have a catastrophe client in our chair, most likely you have already had these warning signs in some way. So ask yourself, what are those warning signs for you? And remember, the things that you're saying yes to are the things that are coming more and more into your life. And the things that you are saying no to are the things that actually is going to be removed into your life. So remember that wherever you're putting your energy into is going to come back into our lives. So instead of focusing on that this is a horrible experience, how can you let it go? How can you maybe say to that client, like, I don't think that we are the great fit. Maybe you should find someone else to do your hair. And actually in somehow say no to the situation and to the client, and take action on what is it that you actually want to attract into your life. Who is it that you really want to help? And in what way do you want to help that person? Take inspired action and create a social media post. Right now, when you watch this video, create a social media post where you are reaching out to your dream clients and talking about what it is that they actually need to hear from you right now. I want to hold you accountable, so put a comment in the comments down below and let me know if you are going to create a social media post for your dream clients. Let me know and I will check in with you within a few days to see if you've actually done it. And take inspired action. Remember, I attract clients that appreciate me for who I am and my energy. Have that as a focus. Remind yourself daily of who it is that you want to attract into your chair. Take inspired action, and soon you will see your dream clients in your chair every single day. Sending you lots of love. Bye.